This is how you put your seatbelt on. Lot of cars. So good. You're so good.
Orange.
Orange.
Orange? Orange.
It's orange, yeah.
Like candies. It's white.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel. Today is the day. Ayan na guys. So nandito na kami ngayon sa bus, van, whatever you call this one. Papunta na kami ng airport kasi pinark namin yung sasakyan dito for a week hanggang sa makauwi kami. And then yung sasakyan ng airport yung maghatid sa amin papuntang airport. Are you excited, honey? Yeah. Ayan. Hindi maganda yung pakiramdam nito guys kasi nasa sasakyan kami at nagsusuka na. Ayan. So we had to change her top. Anyways. Are you feeling better now, anak?
Yeah.
Are you just excited? Oh, sure. Okay. Ayan. And si mami niyo guys, ay hindi nakapag-makeup na kasi ang aga-aga namin talagang umalis. Hayaan nyo na guys, mamaya na lang. How are you, Daddy?
Tired.
Tired? Yeah, no, I'm sleepy too. Are you sleepy na? Oh, no. Ang aga namin gumising guys. Tapos alam niyo naman kagabi, late ako natulog kasi nag-backpack kami, diba? Sana makatulog ako sa ano guys, airplane. Yay! Alright, update namin kayo later. See you later.
Say bye-bye.
Later. Bye.
Hi guys! Dito na kami ngayon sa airport. Where are we going?
Airport.
Where are we going?
Airport.
There's Daddy Mike there. And just dropping off the bag. Let's go. Daddy's calling.
Stop the spread and stay healthy. Melbourne Airport thanks you for your attention.
Good morning everyone. Where are we? In the airport. Where are we going? On the plane? To see? Who? Cousin. Yay! Kiss na lang, Lolo. Tito, Lolo.
Still snow?
Huh? Where's the plane?
There.
How many?
The snow. You one's there.
How many plane? Can you count?
My.
There's one. Oh, moving. This one. See? Paris.
Hey, it's coming back.
It's coming back here. And there's people coming down there. Nako? Ma? Dito kami sa cafe ngayon, guys. Ayan. Brunette. We're just having some coffee before our flight. Nak, na-delay itong flight, nak. 30 minutes delayed. So it's okay. Do you want to sit down there?
No.
Okay. Cuddle?
I'll tell you.
I just cuddle. Which way we going? Follow Daddy?
That is it.
We'll have a look. Did you put your seatbelt on?
Yes, I did.
Like that. There you go. You're ready to go.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Smile.
Look who's in the plane. Hi. Did you put your seatbelt on, babe? Show Tita and Tito how you put seatbelt on. This is how you put your seatbelt on, like a car. Wow, so good. You're so good. Let's tighten it up. There you go. It's better. Where's your sunnies?
Here.
Where?
Yeah.
You wanna put it on?
No.
No? Later?
Later we'll go home.
Later we go. Well, hi, Daddy.
Mama said,
I wanna look outside. I wanna look outside. Flying to the sky.
If you like something to eat or drink, have a look at the menu to see what's available. You're welcome to pay with all major credit and debit cards with Visa or MasterCard symbols. If you use your Jetstar MasterCard or Visa card, you get 10% off. Alcoholic beverages are only available to purchase from the cabin crew. If you're unable to consume any alcohol that you may have bought on board, please save that to enjoy in Brisbane. Thank you.
Mom, we're flying.
We're flying.
Wait, you let me know.
We're flying. What can you see?
I'll wait.
Orange.
I'll wait.
It's orange, yeah.
I'm pretending. It's white. That's Sima.
Suma.
Sima.
We had to change the pants, guys, kasi nakalibang. Yay! Where are you, Nak?
Yeah.
Are you in Brisbane? Yeah, lachadaha kasi lang weather, oy. We are in Brisbane, guys. We're in South Bank. We're just looking for something to eat for lunch.
Mommy,
Careful, Baba.
I'm fine.
You're fine. Just make sure you don't fall, okay? Slowly. Slowly. Come on. Come on, nakagutom na, nak. And say hi to my cousin, guys. This is Joy. Ayan. Oh, pinick up nila kami sa airport, guys. Anak, wala rin, anak. Wala rin, anak. So, yung daddy niya, cousin, first cousin ng mama ko. And they are based here in Brisbane. And this is Mike and Prince. Hi, oh so good. Ayan guys, oh my god, change of scenery. Ibang-iba sa Melbourne. Come. Can you see? Harris,
Daddy,
can you see any dolphin?
is there any dolphin?
Nothing? Yes, Brisbane.
See it, Mommy. You don't know.
I'm not silly, Daddy is.
Daddy, I don't see any. Mommy said,
They trust me, they're there. I've seen it myself.
no, I don't see any.
Baha ilang tubig.
Seen it.
Yeah.
I've seen it.
I remember that playground.
Walk back this way and around.
Kakarating lang namin dito sa hotel, guys.
It's
First hotel. What is it, Nak?
It's very soft.
It's very soft.
Yes.
Did you touch it?
Yes, try.
Okay.
Touch it. It's very soft.
Oh, yeah, very soft.
Yes, it's very soft.
Very, very soft.
It's like Play-Doh soft.
It's like Play-Doh.
Green Play-Dohs.
Oh, green Play-Dohs.
I will smell the fun.
Achoo!
My smell is fun.
Achoo!
My smell is your nose.
Hello.
Hello.
Where's your suitcase?
There.
Princess, like, you look like you can find.
Daddy.
Daddy.
Go. Where are we? Oh,
306. This way. Come on, let's go look around your room.
Paw Patrol.
oh, here, this one. Hang on, Daddy will open the door.
Don't talk about this time, just do it. Don't talk about it, so just do it.
That's a room.
You excited?
Yeah.
A few moments later.
Let's say.
Time check tayo, guys. It's now 3 o'clock ng hapon and kakarating lang namin dito sa aming hotel. So, this is hotel number 1. Kasi, Daddy, how many nights are we staying here for?
2.
2? I thought I heard 3.
2.
2? Oh. 2 nights lang pala kami dito, guys. Dito yung pinili ni Daddy Mike kasi malapit siya sa yung family ko dito sa Brisbane. And di ba magkikita-kita kami. Ayan. So, bigyan ko lang kayo ng tour, guys, dito sa ating hotel.
Mommy,
So,
I will
ayan.
go outside.
Ayan. Merong pool sa harapan. Ayan, sa baba. Careful, nak. Mommy, hold you, ha? Scary. Nagtakot ako dito, guys, ba, oh? Si Paris.
I want go that.
Okay, we'll go later, okay?
My dad is very close.
Okay, we'll relax for now. So, meron silang maliit na parang balcony dito. And then, this is the room. Maliit lang siya, guys. Dito kami magstay for 2 nights. Meron silang, dyan, table. Air conditioner is working na. Kasi it's very hot. So, this is our main bed. And then, my extra bed dito.
Did you do it?
Paris, I don't know what this is. Probably for the clothes to hang. And then, yeah, you've got the kitchen, which we're not really gonna use. And then, ayan yung kanilang ang tawag dito? Bathroom. Ayan. So, sobrang liit lang, guys. Ayan.
Air condition to make it nice and cool.
Ayan, kasang pabuk-buk dito. Parang bahay lang talaga.
Here, but keep it.
Are you enjoying, Nak? Are you enjoying?
Yeah, I'm fun.
Are you having fun?
Do you like Brisbane?
I need this bed.
Do you like Brisbane?
Ayan, guys.
Oh,
Do you like Tita and Tito?
yes, I like the bed.
Ayan. Yan yung view sa labas. Super tiring, guys. Oh my God. Yan ang ating chan. Malaki na siya. So, i-end muna natin yung vlog dito, guys, ha? Kasi magre-relax na kami ngayon. Later tonight, we might have dinner with some of my relatives. So, we'll see how it goes. But i-end muna natin yung vlog dito, guys, ha? Thank you so much. We're very happy that we're in Brisbane now. First day, and yeah, looking forward for the next coming days. We'll just do a quick shout out before we end the vlog. Shout out to Michi Manalo, Joanne Owano, Marietta Pascual, Ria Whiteside, Louisiana Mary, Mad Brat, Anna Tommy, Carlota Pedro, Eleanor Tanutan, Irene Aliperio, Jennifer Castillo, Irene Kilang, Amelita Balajay, J&M Bonchla, Jocelyn Pason, Marie Salas, and Gail. So that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Anak, thumbs up, nak. Ayush! It's against the light. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Wow, what's this?
don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Bye.
mwah.